All right, so here we are. This is our course. Hi. I hope you remember this. So this is what our course looks like. If you go into assignments, you'll see the 6 questions on health, education, and the environment. So you're going to choose one. So here you click on this, assignment number 6, that's this week. And it has these questions for you. There are 6 questions, and I think this is a really good way to organize your essay. So I'm going to ask you to organize your essay this way. So we're just going to pull this down a little bit so I can show you at the bottom here. It gives you the option of writing submission. And you can also put notes in here for me. So if you write submission, it opens up this box. And what I would suggest that you do is you go into your word processor. I have this one set up already. And you just think about putting together this assignment. So here are the questions. And I have it MLA formatted, right? So it's kind of like the draft of your paper. So you do the header here, and then the header here. So this one is your last name and the page number. And then this is the whole MLA. And then here are the questions. So you're going to answer these questions about your problem and solution. Does a problem exist? How do we characterize the problem? What caused the problem? So this is the kind of social discussion. This is the historical discussion. This is the moral question. And then here are the 2 things that I think are very important. Who decides what to do about the problem, and what action do you want the reader to take? So you're going to go through all of your questions there. Let's just go back to the actual assignment, and you'll notice that here are the 6 questions, but here attached is the little worksheet. So the worksheet has 3 examples for you. Here we have a question on child obesity, one that's a little bit more clear, and then finally, this is sort of like the high school. This is like the high school version, and this is like the college version. So this one is talking about advertising in childhood obesity. This is sort of like the junior high question, right? Are children fat? We've been talking about that for 30 years now. And then we get a little bit better with the accuracy of the BMI. But then this is really talking about advertising. So this is sort of like the college question. Notice if you scroll down a little bit, it gives you a discussion of those 3 things, which I just did very briefly. And then it says here's your turn. So I would encourage you, if you don't want to type the whole thing, you want to handwrite it, you can print this out. And then there's another one. You can print those out, and you can handwrite it. And then you'll take a picture. And when you're submitting, you will include, either your local file, you're going to take a picture of it and save it, or you're going to put it up on your cloud service and do it. Okay, so then before you finish, so that you get credit, you have to go all the way down to the bottom. So this is what it looks like here. The top is the assignment information. Then you write your submission. You attach any files that you want me to see. And last but not least, you hit submit. Now you can save your draft or submit it. Once you submit it, that's when I can see it. So I want you to also bring it to class on Monday, because the next thing is your ticket into the class on Monday is a draft. So I am going to ask you, I'm going to click on assignments again, and this is going to come up for you. You'll see assignment number 7. Oh, actually, I have to exit the preview. That's a student preview. So eventually, it's going to come up for you, number 7. So let's just go. Whoops. Sorry. Let me pause for a second. All right, so this is going to be due on Monday. This is your exit ticket, your entrance ticket, your admission ticket. So it's going to be a draft of your essay. Now, James already did it this week. but you can also, print it for class. Okay. So here it is, right? Write a paper that discusses the problem, use the sources from class, add up to 4 more sources, write an annotated bibliography, pose the research question using the Stasis worksheet, take a position, and at the end of the paper, make a statement that asks your reader to take an action. So all of that's going to be there. This is the first draft, so that'll be assignment number 7. Your homework this week is assignment number 6, and then next week will be assignment number 8, which is, as it says here, essay number 2. So final draft up to 6 pages, and all of the requirements are listed here. So I hope that that's helpful to you. I hope it's not that confusing. So let's just review, right? You're going to go into assignments, and for Wednesday of this week, you do this one, assignment 6. For Monday of next week, you do 7, and then I'll post for the final draft, I'll post the place for you to put the final draft, which will be assignment number 8. And then we only have 2 major assignments after that, and that's it. The semester is over. So we're going to keep coming to class, right? All right. So we have about, what do we have? Like 8 more things to do, and that's it. And then you'll be done with my course. Okay. So congratulations. And again, just go to assignments. There's this sheet here. When you click on this, it's going to open and give you this sheet. And I'll be looking forward to reading them.